हम दीवार पर नहीं चढ़ते। We do not climb the wall. We do not climb the wall. आसिम शादी नहीं करना चाहता। आसिम does not want to marry. आसिम does not want to marry. वो पानी नहीं पीता। He does not drink water. He does not drink water. हम जल्दी नहीं सोते हैं। We do not go to sleep early. We do not go to sleep early. मैं फ्रांसीसी नहीं बोलती। I do not speak Spanish. I do not speak Spanish. उसे मसालेदार खाना पसंद नहीं है। He does not like spicy food. He does not like spicy food. वो टेनिस नहीं खेलते। They do not play tennis. They do not play tennis. वो फिल्म नहीं देखते। They do not watch movies. They do not watch movies. हम गोश्त नहीं खाते। We do not eat meat. We do not eat meat. वो अच्छा गाना नहीं गाता। He does not sing well. He does not sing well. आज बारिश नहीं होती। It does not rain today. It does not rain today. It does not rain today. वो जिम नहीं जाता। He does not go to the gym. He does not go to the gym. वो ऐनक नहीं पहनता। He does not wear glasses. He does not wear glasses. वो फरफर इंग्लिश बोलते हैं। They speak English fluently. They speak English fluently. हमें कॉफ़ी पसंद नहीं है। We do not like coffee. We do not like coffee. तुम सारन नहीं बजाते हो। You do not play the guitar. You do not play the guitar. वो हफ्ते के दिनों में काम नहीं करता। He does not work on weekends. He does not work on weekends. वो इस घर में नहीं रहता। He does not live in this house. He does not live in this house. वो मीटिंग में शिरकत नहीं करता। He does not attend the meeting. He does not attend the meeting. हम अक्सर सिनेमा नहीं जाते। We do not go to the cinema often. We do not go to the cinema often. तुम टोपी नहीं पहनते। You do not wear the hat. You do not wear the hat. ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लगता। It does not take much time. It does not take much time. वो कमरा साफ नहीं करते। They do not clean the room. They do not clean the room. मैं सफ़र नहीं करता। I do not travel. I do not travel. क्या वो अच्छा गाना गाता है? Does he sing well? Does he sing well? क्या वो गाड़ी चलाता है? Does he drive the vehicle? Does he drive the vehicle? इसका बाप क्या करता है? What does her father do? What does her father do? क्या परिंदा हवा में उड़ता है? Does the bird fly in the air? Does the bird fly in the air? क्या बच्चा दूध के लिए रोता है? Does the baby cry for milk? Does the baby cry for milk? क्या तुम इसका मजाक उड़ाते हो? Do you make fun of him? Do you make fun of him? क्या मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ? Do I play cricket? Do I play cricket? क्या वो स्कूल जाता है? Does he go to school? Does he go to school? क्या वो खाना खाता है? Does he eat meal? Does he eat meal?